So how are you doing on KvCore? Are you logging into it? Do you have your database uploaded? Are you using the system? As this real estate market evolves and we go from the easy market that we were in for the last 10 years into a market now where you really need to stay on top of your database, KvCore is more important to learn today than ever before. So I put together a 6-week class and I want to show you what I got going. What you're looking at right here, this is my profile, and I do all of my test marketing on KvCore to myself. That way I know it works. I'm showing you this to show you that I built this out. I got my hashtags in here. I have activity that's going on. And most of this stuff is done automatically. So what I've been doing is teaching agents how to use the platform. And through that, it's evolved into this 6-week course that I've developed. And so within this course, I'm doing it Friday at 10 o'clock Pacific time. And I'm going over the basics of completing a profile, how to manage your contacts, how to turn on the AI technology so this stuff is automated for you, how to manage your listings, promote your listings, build squeeze pages, build landing pages, and fueling your pipeline. You know, you can generate leads that don't cost that much to do through KvCore. And then you can track your success. So I'm going to go over all this in the 6-week course. And if you're interested and wanting to learn more, want to see how to really ignite your database using KvCore, and at the end of the day, actually save yourself some time, let me know and I'll give you the sign-up information for the class. If you have any questions, you can just reach out to me directly. I always answer my phone when I can. And I look forward to talking to you. Thanks.